to explain the fifth sub question of main question 1 exercise 1.1. Here A is the set of the human beings in a town and R is means the relation. Which type of relation they took here? X, Y such that X and Y works at the same place. X and Y works at the same place. So first of all we need to check the reflexive relation. So for reflexive what we will be taking? Same type of numbers we will be taking. So here if X and X works at the same place. Works at the same place. It means what? Definitely X comma X belongs to the relation. If X is working on the same place, then X and X works on the same place. I am working in sun now, but so my name if I am writing 2 times, then also I am working in same place only. So X belongs to the relation. So we can write that therefore R is reflexive. Second, you need to check the symmetric relation. So for symmetric relation, we will be taking two people here, X and Y. If X and Y works on a same place, if X, Y works on a same place, it means these are belonging to the relation. Then definitely Y comma X belongs to the relation. If Ram and Rahim is working in the same place, then Rahim and Ram is also working in the same place. It means the given relation is symmetric. So you have to write therefore our relation is a symmetric relation. What about the third one? Third one, we need to check about the three persons here. X, Y and Z we will take it. So in general case already I told A, B. If A, B belongs to the relation, then with starting with B, B, C belongs to the relation, then definitely A, C should belong to the relation. That was the condition. So here, if X and Y is working in the same place, it means X, Y belongs to the relation. And Y, Z is working in the same place. So I written Y, Z belongs to the relation. Once again listen the statement. If X and Y working in the same place and Y and Z working in the same place, then definitely X and Z also will work in the same place. Like here Ram, Rahim and Rohan. If Ram and Rahim, these two are working in the same place and Rahim and Rohan are working in the same place, it means Ram and Rohan also will work in the same place only. It means the given relation is transitive. So at last you can write therefore the relation R is transitive. At last you have to conclude it. Okay. Now the question 2 is, here the relation R is in the set R of real numbers. It means it is a collection of real numbers. And the relation they are mentioned as AB such that A is less than or equal to B square. You need to show that the given relation is neither reflexive, nor symmetric, nor transitive. So first of all, whenever you will be getting a collection of real numbers, you need to be very much careful. In real numbers, that is a collection of rational, irrational and all. So all the types of numbers will come and the given condition should satisfy by all the conditions. That is very difficult many times. That you need to check it very carefully. For example, okay, here if I am taking the number 1, here I took 1 and here I took 3. These are the collections of real, and from A to A if I am doing the mapping, and if I am taking 1, 3, then 1, 3 will satisfy this condition. If ordered pair 1, 3 if I am taking, definitely that will satisfy the given condition. Here what is the condition? A less than or equal to B square. 1 less than or equal to 3 square. Yes, it is satisfying because 1 less than or equal to 9. It is satisfying. Here I took one of the example which is satisfying. But we have to check more examples. Now, here next I am going to take one of the number. Okay. When I took 1 and 3, that has satisfied. If I am taking the rational number 4, then there will be problems. So first let me start explanation. That time I will tell to you more clearly. First of all, we will go for reflexive relation. In reflexive relation, if I am taking 1, then 1 should belong to the relation. If 1 belongs to R means this R is the set of real numbers. Then 1 should belong to the relation. Yes, that is satisfying. Like here 1 is less than or equal to 1 square. That is satisfying. If I am taking 2 is 2 belongs to the relation? Yes, 2 is belongs to the relation because 2 is less than or equal to 2 square. It is satisfied. 2 less than or equal to 4, it is satisfied. It means 2 belongs to the relation. But if I am taking half, it will satisfy or not? If I am taking 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 will belong to the relation? Just to check it. 1 by 2, just to check the relation. 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 square. Is it possible here? No. How 1 by 2 can be less than 1 by 4? Which is not possible. It means 1 by 2 will not belong the relation. Not belongs to the relation. It means the given relation is not reflexive. Okay. Now the next we have to check for symmetric relation. For that I am taking one of the example. I will take 1, 2. If 1, 2 belongs to the relation, then 2, 1 also should belong to the relation that we will check it. Is 1, 2 belongs to the relation? Yes, 1 is less than or equal to 2 square. Yes, it is correct. It means 1, 2 belongs to the relation. What about 2, 1? If we are reversing the ordered pair, what will happen? Then because according to condition, if A, B belongs to a relation, then B, A should belong to a relation. So here 1, 2 belongs to a relation, we see. Now what about 2, 1? Is 2 less than or equal to 1 square? No. It means 2, 1 not belongs to the relation. It means our relation is not symmetric. Okay. Now the third condition is transitive. For that I will be taking the numbers, first of all 3, 2. If I will take 3, 2, first you need to check it is satisfying the condition or not. 3 less than or equal to 2 square. Yes, it is satisfying. It means this belongs to the relation. Now connecting with 2, I will take the another number. 2 and 3 by 2 I will take. Now we will check this is satisfying the condition or not. Here 2 less than or equal to 3 by 2 square. It means 2 less than or equal to 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is greater than 2. It means it is satisfying the condition. It means 2, 3 by 2 belongs to the relation. Now for transitive, what we have to do? If A, B belongs to the relation and B, C belongs to the relation, then we need to check for AC. AC should belong to the relation or not, we have to check it. So here we need to check for 3, 3 by 2. So I am going to check 3, 3 by 2. Is 3, 3 by 2 belongs to the relation? Check it. A is 3 less than or equal to 3 by 2 square. It means 3 less than or equal to 3 by 2 square means 9 by 4. No. Here 3 is greater than 9 by 4. It means this is not satisfying the condition. It means 3 by 2 not belongs to the relation. If 3 by 2 not belongs to the relation, it means our relation is not transitive.